Hey Love Bug, so in this video I am bringing my first impressions on the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Twisting Cream. And I have to say, this is day 3 here. I don't have time. Like when I get home, I have to go to work, like full shift, and then school full. So I don't have time to come home and retwist my hair. Ain't nobody got time for that. I just pineapple. So normally when I do my twist out, I use my Eco Styling Gel, and I know everybody is anti-eco, but them my babies. But this, like, it's been hot, it's been everything, and it's still here. Like, I have not had to retwist it or anything, and the definition is still popping. Like, I'm impressed. And so it's no surprise that I'm loving this. And since I love the twisting cream so much, I am going to go back and get the rest of the line, because this smells good. It made my hair feel good. So I can only imagine what the shampoo and the conditioner and all of that is going to do. But hopefully you guys find this video very helpful. This is day 3 here, and it's shapoppy. Look at the curls. You see that? And they bouncy, like boing yoing 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 boing yoing yoing. Like, look at that. I'm happy. I'm in love. I'm in love. She doing it. She doing it. Doing it. She doing it. Doing it. She. I'm happy. I like my twist out. She cute. She cute or whatever. But before we get in this video, make sure you're subscribed, become part of the family. You know, tell your auntie, your uncles, your cousins, you know, come back and join me. Sit in front of the TV, pop some popcorn. I'm on my health kick, so you know, right now with green smoothie. Make sure you're subscribed. And YouTube is doing this weird thing now where you have to subscribe. You gotta click the bell, but it don't stop there. You gotta click the bell to see if you want to be notified. Sometimes, all the time, or never. I'm watching you. You better click all the time to be notified. But thanks guys so much for watching. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Bye.
Already know, argument and something went on between the two. She is over her parents. You waited out, text her. Y'all just got me home. Carry the baby to the hospital and had it. That's what you need to worry about. Anyway, I don't know, but if it ain't about me, let's get it. Let's go. Well, while we on pregnancies, let's talk about Funny Mike. Well, Funny Mike and his girlfriend Jalea, they are now expecting a baby, so they finna have no little head ass running around.
Is he naked? Look, you're naked.
For this next pair,
stop playing.
we have for this next pair we have these
cute.
bad boys. You know, they were $21.99 on
That
the
stuff costs too much. Why?
I think these are the most classic.
Them look like Daisy Dukes.
Like, these are probably my favorite.
Them look short.
Like design, color, everything that goes with it. So I'm gonna try them on right here.
Yeah, let's see. He naked.
I got these in the size.
You was standing in front of the camera naked.
Large. And as you can tell, they're a little bit shorter. But
are they a Speedo? He about to pull out a Speedo.
No.
It's a Speedo.
That they were built like this.
You know, he got a Speedo. Is it a Speedo?
Yeah, we gonna see. Whoa. So the material was gonna be like this.
Mm-hmm.
They kind of like silk. They make you feel too sexy to be on the beach, man.
Mm-hmm.
They feel like silk, man. I'm gonna keep saying that. They were only $16.99 on the store, but I don't know. And then they look small. The material is a good material.
They don't look small. They are small.
And they're very short though.
Them is dick huggers. Sorry.
We just gonna try them on.
Like Patricia Bite will say dick to the wind. That's what that is. Oh, he got tights on. He got us. He did good for that to be like his first reactions video. So my hair is wet. So I'm going to wear these to work. I'm just gonna put it in like put a little cute scarf on or whatever. But I'm gonna wear them for one day so they can, you know, really sit and fester and marinate. Oh, and I dare somebody to be like, what's that in her hair? I'm gonna be like, mind your business. Because if you can't take me in my twist, you cannot take me in my twist out. You don't deserve me in my twist out, okay? So, we'll see what they turn out like. Good night.